Hello friends, today we will learn about what is the difference between final, finally and finalize. So first of all we see the final. So what is final? Final is a modifier applicable for classes, method and variable. So if class declare as a final, then we can't extend that class. So we can't create the child class for that class. Second point, if method declare as a final, then we can't override that method in the child class. Third point, if variable declare as a final, it will become a constant. Means if we want to define a constant, we need to create a final variable. So this is a simple 3 points. Now we see the finally block. The finally is a block always associated with try catch to maintain the cleanup activity. So finally is a block when you use any uh, database connection close, we use the finally block. Third is finalize. Finalize is a method which is always invoked by the garbage collector just before destroying an object to perform a cleanup activity. When any object is no longer to reference, it will be garbage collected. So before that, it will call the finalize method. So here is the note. Finally meant for cleanup activity related to try block, whereas finalize meant for cleanup activity related to object. So this is the simple point you can understand easily. So thank you friends.